With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, the question is, when two surfaces are polished, the friction coefficient between them decreases. So when two surfaces are polished, the friction coefficient decreases, but the friction coefficient increases. So the friction coefficient increases and becomes very large if the surfaces are made highly smooth. Alright, so we need to explain why does that happen. So let's say we have a body B and a surface S. At first glance, the contacting surfaces between the body and the surface might look smooth, but if we zoom in a little, so let's say we zoom in, we would see the irregularities of the body P and the irregularities of the surface S, and these irregularities interlock themselves, which causes the coefficient of friction between them. So if we polish them, so what happens if we polish them? So on polishing, these irregularities, they smooth out. Okay, so these irregularities smooth out, so the friction between them decreases. So what happens? The friction between them decreases. But what happens if they are highly polished? So if they are highly polished, the irregularities becomes negligibly small. Okay, so the irregularities becomes negligibly small between the body and the surface. And what happens as the contact points between the body and the surface increases, molecular bonds are formed at the contact points. Alright, so what happens? Molecular bonds are formed between the two surfaces, and it's very hard to slide the body on the surface due to these strong molecular bonds. So what happens? The friction becomes very large due to these molecular bonds. So this explains our experience that when two surfaces are polished, the friction coefficient between them decreases because the irregularities between them decreases. But when they are made highly smooth, the contact points between them increases, and this causes the friction to increase very large. Alright? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.